Hello everyone, friends on the Valar channel. Today I will show you what to do if the computer turns on, but there is no signal to the monitor, respectively to the computer monitor. Here, first you need to make sure, here I have a video card, yes that I have, you see dusty wires that it is all properly connected, that's it. And switch to try to another port, that is, for example, switch from this port, for example, to this other port. Be sure to wait for the click. Here is such a characteristic click, which will mean that you have inserted, respectively, the cord to the end. That's it. Because if there is no click, then most likely the cord did not go deep enough and did not click. That's it. Then pay attention to the power supply of the monitor itself. Whether it is powered exactly and whether the power cable is connected directly to the output. Here, and accordingly the video cable also needs to be made to make sure that it is tightly connected, that accordingly it fits well. That's it. And also check if the monitor is in sleep mode. To do this, just press or hold this button. If all this did not help, then most likely you do not have problems with the video card and monitor, and this means that you need to check the RAM. Try to clean it with an eraser. If all this does not help, then contact the service. That's all. Valar was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.